Babe, is this what you got this new heavy-duty 3/4 ton pickup for? Haul your tricycle in?
Haul my hog. Can't put this on the internet. I don't want nobody to know I'm hauling bicycles in my truck. That's why I didn't get a diesel, because I don't know, it could have helped the strain of hauling this motorcycle.
Why did you not get a diesel, Cody?
Well, that's a great question. I do pull a trailer, but I have a 25-foot overall Texas Pride flatbed. I've got a 20-foot cattle trailer. I got a dump trailer, but I can't justify the additional cost in a diesel, the extra $10,000 upfront cost. Costs more to maintain them. My personal opinion is a diesel pickup doesn't go as far in the mud as a gas pickup does, and most of the time when I'm feeding, if it's muddy and stuff, I have to get back to the cattle. I can't just, they don't always come up where I need them. So
Proven fact, yours doesn't go far enough in the mud either, right?
Proven, but I just like the gas better. They do everything I need them to do as far as pulling the trailers that we have and the loads that we pull. It's always performed well. I think they're cheaper to maintain. I don't know, I just like gas. What do you think? You like gas or diesel better? Let me know in the comments. Keep ranching, keep trucking. Let's go haul this load.
All your
Let's go put her to the test.